What's the meaning of Boudicca? Boudicca. Boudicca.
Boudicca. Boudicca. Boudicca was a queen of the British Celtic Iceni tribe who led an uprising against the Roman Empire in AD 60 or 61. The name Boudicca is believed to mean victorious or victorious queen. Despite initial successes, the revolt was eventually crushed and Boudicca is said to have died shortly after. However, her story has lived on as a symbol of resistance against oppression and a source of inspiration for future generations. Today, Boudicca is remembered as a legendary figure and an important part of British history.